I'm Lexi Harris, and this is my brain dissection lab. You can see that the dura mater has been removed from the brain, and the sulci is the wrinkles in the brain, and then the gyri is the non-wrinkles, and then the longitudinal fissure is right down the middle, and then the left cerebral hemisphere is over here, and the right cerebral hemisphere is over here. You have your frontal lobe, which is for your movements. You have your occipital lobe, which is for your eyesight. And then you have your temporal lobes on both sides, which is for your hearing. And then you have your parietal lobe right in here. And then you have your cerebrum is up here. And then you have your olfactory bulb, your pituitary gland, and then your olfactory nerve fibers are going to be coming off of the olfactory bulb. And then your pons are right in here. Your medulla oblongata is right here. And then you have your spinal cord back here. And then your cerebellum is just right here. Your optic nerves come off right about here. And your olfactory nerve fibers come off of right about there. And your pituitary gland is going to be right in the middle. And then your spinal nerves just kind of come off of your spinal cord, starting with C1. And then your pons are right in here. And then if we open up the brain, you can see the spinal cord again is right here. And then you can see your fourth ventricle is going to be coming up from the spinal cord, kind of right in here. And then your cerebral aqueduct is going to be right in here. And then your third ventricle is going to be just above your cerebral adducts, right in here. And then you have your lateral ventricles, which is going to be just above that, right in here. And then your cerebrum is just right over here. And then your cerebral cortex is also right in there. And then your cerebellum is right here. And then you can see the midbrain is right here. And the medulla oblongata is right here. And the thalamus is right in here. And then the hypothalamus is just below the thalamus. And then your pineal gland is right over here.